If you want to see how I went from looking like I'm fighting for my life, right there, to me still looking like I'm fighting for my life in a different way, keep watching. So I know everybody else, was using that viral organic hair. This is what the fuck I use, and oh my god, best synthetic hair hands down. This is the look that I was going for. I think I achieved it for the most part. So let's get started. Me personally, I don't care to stand up in a bathroom for hours. I like to sit on my couch and watch Law and Order. So that's what you're looking at. I have two phones and I make a Facetime link and I Facetime myself because I'm on the same iCloud. So when I be trying to Facetime myself, it don't connect. Let me know if you want to see how I do that. But anyway, yeah, so this is me connected. I have one phone on a tripod behind my head, and then I have the other phone in front of me so I can see what the fuck I'm doing. And this is how I part my hair. I don't stand up in the bathroom. I don't be having it in me. I like to chill on the couch, watch TV, and do what I'm doing. If you want to see the products that I'm using, just let me know. I'll make a separate video. But fair warning, I parted this shit like 3 times. Bear with me, okay? Because I just could not decide the size that I wanted them. And I still didn't decide the size that I wanted them until I was probably like halfway through my head. So you gonna see me part this shit like 18 times, okay? But I could not figure it out. I didn't know if I wanted them medium, small, medium. I didn't know, okay? But we got it together eventually. The product I have on my hand, okay? I don't know about lock and gel. I don't know about the other shit because I don't use it. This shit right here, everything I use is under $20. Let's just start there, okay? The synthetic hair that I use with these braids, I think it was only like $10.99 a pack. The jar of product that I use, I literally only use probably like a quarter of a jar of that product that's on the back of my hand, and that's $9.99. The other shit that I braid down with, I think that bitch $7.99. So everything that I use is under $20. So this is the first braid. I started the first braid. Please do not come for me about how I braid my hair. I have always braided with all 10 fingers. I don't know why. I don't know how I'm jealous of the people that can just braid with their first 3 fingers. But baby, it ain't me. Okay, so yep, as you can see, took the braid down, reparted again because I was just like, nah. I can't remember if I parted it again. I think I did, but we ain't gonna talk about it. So these are knotless, as you can see. This video was supposed to be edited over a month ago because this was my birthday hair. So this was back on August 19th when this style happened. So I do have another video actually of the style that I have in my hair now, which is my extended passion twist, and that video shows you how I am in between styles, or how I manage to be in between styles, because I don't take my parts down, and that's usually how I manage to be in between styles. So just let me know if you want that video as well. I'm probably still just gonna end up editing it anyways. So yeah, I don't know how we got to the middle of my head, but here we are, stressed the fuck out. Like I said, still didn't know what size I wanted these parts to be. Some are medium, some are not, but here the fuck we are in the middle of my head. I did just do 2 rows of the blonde in the back because I wasn't trying to have that shit all through my hair. But yes, as you can see, I've been on the couch braiding you see the sun is out. The sun is coming through the window now. But I usually do triangle parts, but this time I just did not have it in me. So we did the regular old squares, okay? But if you want to see how I do triangle parts, let me know. And yeah, put the product on, comb it through. Please comb the product down. because that's how you be getting build up and all the other extra shit, and your braids be looking crazy because y'all don't be combing the product through. All right, took the nails off because I had to make my press on set, so that's why my nails are missing, because I had to prep my nails for the next set, and you'll see them at the end. But yeah, there I am down in the corner. This is how I be looking, stressed the fuck out because I just can't believe it. Somebody called me, I was angered, but you know, we move forward. I know some people struggle with adding the hair in, so I got hella tutorials. Like, why don't I edit these videos? I got tutorials for everything I do to my hair. So just let me know if you want to see that, because I know a lot of people struggle with adding in the braiding hair, adding in the curly hair. So yeah, just let me know. Like, I got hella tutorials on how I be doing my hair. And I don't edit these freaking videos, but I'm finna stop that shit because come on now, I'm giving y'all gems. Get with it or get lost. Ain't that what Lloyd said? So yeah, this was the day of, the day before my birthday. Shark Daddy decided that me being under the influence was for the best of both of us. So this is me, never mind, we ain't gonna talk about it. Just know I ain't recording nothing else for the rest of that day. All right, bye.